So good day, guys. Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So we are going to analyze and see what markets we actually can do. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Now, let's start with our trend on New Zealand dollar JPY. We want to know our trend, and we can see that on New Zealand dollar JPY, we can spot the main trend, we can also spot the current trend. So on this level here, this is our main trend, and our main trend says we are ranging. So this markets dropped to this support level, then market eventually rallied back up to tap our resistance, then drop back to the support, rallied up to counter resistance, then dropped out to the support, eventually rallied up to tap our resistance. So later on, you'll be expecting market to actually drop further down. But before that, market needs to give us a confirmation that it will drop. As you can see, market likely to push up one more and drop again. Our forecast and our bias on New Zealand dollar JPY will still be to the downside, but we will only open sell once we get the sell set up. So if you want to understand sell setup and how to spot it and how to trade it, it is very simple, guys. All you just have to do is go to the comment section, right? Subscribe to the mentorship, which will put the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you see the link to the mentorship program. When you subscribe to it, then you will learn how to analyze charts as a pro. You would learn the setup, buy setup, the sell setup. You would at the indicators that you need. You will also learn the chart patterns that you should look out for. Risk management will be covered. Trade management will be covered. Strategies you need to look out for. Psychology, how to trade Nasdaq, gold, WTI, and currencies like to trade currencies like a pro. Every of these would be covered in the mentorship program, right? So just go to the comment section, click on the link, subscribe. Once you subscribe, every of it will be covered for you guys, and you would learn how to trade properly and very well. Now, like I said, let's wait for the sell setup. Once we get to the sell setup, we will open for the sell. If market does not give us that sell setup, market is likely to push up to clear this high. So only hoping for the sell setup once we get the sell.